Raiders look to get back on the winning track today.
Yeah, and it's going to start with Geno Smith. He is a Pro Bowler. He's a veteran. He knows that he's going to have to shore that up and give this offense a chance to win the game.
Let's go!
And Max Crosby, how much can we talk about how good he's been for that defense?
Everything you got, baby. Let's go. 60+ minutes. Gang on me, gang on 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's go, man. Put on the show today. Put on the show. Oh, man. Oh!
Pete Carroll and the Raiders won their opening game in New England, but have lost their last 4. Raiders won the toss. They defer.
Kickoff is a line drive by Carlson, about 5 yards into the A. Under center, Ward hands it off to the right side, into a wall, cannot get the first down. He has stood up for a gain of maybe 1.
It'll be opening possession for Las Vegas. And the catch is made, taken out to the 38-yard line by Jacoby Myers.
The handoff, cuts to the outside, one man to beat the stiff arm. Down the sideline, 45, out across midfield and thrown out of bounds into Titans territory.
Fake to Jeanty on first down, and it's Tucker again. Makes a nice move, picks up the first down all the way to the Tennessee 22-yard line. Carlson connects from 50.
The handoff to the left side, Pollard gobbled up in the backfield. Tyree Wilson fought off the block. Back out, they bring just 4. Ward, pressure up the middle. It's by Laulu, and he wraps him up again. Jonah Laulu drops him at the 34. Pressure through the middle, and the Las Vegas native with a dance on a 9-yard sack.
To the right, empty backfield, third down and 7. Down, ball comes loose. Raiders recover. Devin White with the initial hit.
Hell yeah! Get that man out there! Go get him all day! Hell yeah!
Get out wide right, Jack Bash and Trey Tucker left. Shotgun, Smith's gonna throw. Clean pocket, stand, scan, throws. Michael Mayer at the goal line. Turns, touchdown Raiders! Geno looked all over the field, and he followed Michael Mayer. Out to the left, Cam Ward gonna throw, trying to set up the screen. There's pressure, he's tripped and sacked. Max Crosby got him from behind. Got Spears to his left. Raiders come with 4. He slides to his left. He's looking to throw. He's hit. He gets away. He throws. It's up in the air. And it's picked off. It was deflected, and Devin White has the interception on the far sideline. The Raiders come away with their second takeaway. Solid pressure from Laulu and Booker, and Devin White has an interception.
Man, he's got an interception. He's got a forced fumble, and this time he's got to give credit to Laulu and the guys up front.
You know, walking by and seeing Freddie B's name, and of course Marcus Allen, and you know, I just hope, you know, that the time would come when I'd be able to have my jersey here. And now that it's here, I just you know, I work here every week, you know, of the football season, and just really cool to be able to have this spot here in the stadium forever. The 2 things that have been constant throughout this journey is the Raiders and how they've really supported myself and my family, and then the Hall of Fame community. It's been incredible. We kind of understand how important it is that, you know, I'm, you know, 379, you know, out of the millions of players who, you know, played the game. So they never let you forget that.
It is a run play to Jeanty, picks his hole, keeps his feet inside the 20, bounces off a defender, down at the 18-yard line, right on the left hash mark. His patience is excellent. He picks up 4. It'll be 2nd down and 6 coming up for the Raiders. Jack Bash, the 3rd receiver, out there to the right with Jacoby Myers. Geno Smith looking that way, off his back foot, fires right side, caught Myers inside the 10, strung out of bounds by Hooker. 1st down Raiders. It'll be 1st and goal
First and goal from the Tennessee 4. This is Jeanty. He's in. Touchdown.
Deuce in the end zone. The Raiders pay off the opening drive and go up 16-0.
Second down and 5 as Ward goes down. Back at the 28-yard line. Another sack for this Raiders defense. It's Lecky Fotu.
Back the good hold. The kick is heading towards the uprights, and it is good.
Pete Carroll's defense keeping Tennessee out of the end zone. Lead by 14.
It was straight down the half. It was the half. They're gonna write a book. They're gonna write a book about you today.
He's motioning out to the left. Gino looking to throw. Takes a shot down the middle. Caught Myers at the 25.
They're down at 7. Pass is caught by Tucker. Breaks free. Down the sideline. Tucker inside the 20 and finally taken down.
Get some yards.
Carlson hit from 50 earlier. This is a 28-yard attempt from straight away. Carlson makes it a 3-score game.
Motion man to the left is the backup tight end. It's a fake to Spears. Ward in the pocket to the back of the end zone. Caught. Touchdown Tennessee.
What a run!
Raiders have 7 across the line. They only bring 4. Ward backpedal. There's Max Crosby with the sack back at the 5. You called it, and he waves to the crowd like to say goodbye.
An exclamation point by the Las Vegas defense.